ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the Australian dollar took a daring attempt towards the upside and rallies on to challenge that level around 77.2050. After posting a high of 77.30, the market tumbled heavily and now posts a bearish outside range day. Although further confirmation is required to the downside, a break of 76.05 would ease the pressure from the upside and then look towards a support of 75.45.55. It is noted from there that if breached, then further risk to the downside comes through with an objective seen around about 74 cents. So do be aware of those two levels in the coming days. Any advances on the day should find resistance around 76.70.75. Excuse me. The euro, very much the same, broke above that 113 level, rejects that region or the congestion area around 113.60.65 and now looks for further weakness in the coming session with a day's range of 112.10 to 112.85. Now do note, if we get a break under 112.10, which is around about where the 100-day moving average is as well, we could see further weakness towards 111.45 and lower down towards 110.50.65. With resistance seen, as I say, at 112.85 and firm at 113.60.65. Dollar yen, very surprisingly, puts in a bullish performance from that 101.25 and now tackles the resistance seen at 102.60.70. If we get a break above that level today at 102.60.70, then that would give further scope to the upside and look towards a target of 103.50.55 and higher towards 104.10.25. Any pullback on the day should find support now around 101.75.80, and it will be only a break of 101.25 that would negate the upside and put further risk to the downside and look at 99.40.60 as a potential target. Well, dollar yen. Moving on from dollar yen, we now look at sterling, and you can see here the price action is still very bearish and now looking towards the support at 132.80. If we get a break there, then that would ease further pressure off the upside and look towards 132.10. Reassess from there, because if we go underneath 132.10, then the next target comes in around 130. Any resistance of a challenge would see around 133.65.75 as a cap. Interesting that the market is now fallen away quite heavily from that 1352 resistance or congestion area, and as we can see here, further weakness now holds from the break of 1338. The immediate support comes in at 1335 and then lower down towards 1330 with an objective holding towards 1320 to 22 and reassess from there. Any advances on a day should find resistance firmly around 1342 to 44. And to wrap up with oil, as you can see here, we've broken from the break of 46.50, now looks further to the upside and could actually see a challenge around that 49.5 level and reassess from there, because we could actually even see $50 a barrel. Any pullback on the day should find support roughly around that 46.5 to 46.80. Well, that wraps up for the day. Thank you very much for listening and enjoy your day ahead and also to the weekend.